like this.
How is she doing it?
She tried doing it with
Making
the
a
key and
mess.
it failed. Try it. You got hair.
I don't know how to do it.
There's only two. Hang on, wait.
Hold on.
You need to bust it open like this.
You bust it open with
You got another one?
With my what?
Yeah, with
I'm
your
gonna
thumb.
cut myself.
Yeah, I don't use my
Yeah.
thumb.
You don't use your
I
thumb
use
either?
my keys.
Damn.
Here.
I always use my thumb.
I'm
I
just
don't know
nuts.
about
You
guys.
gotta find the barcode, and if you press in the barcode, it's weaker than the rest of the can.
Did
Yeah,
you
I've
just make
always
that
just
up
done
or
it.
is that real?
No,
that's
seriously,
real.
Bud
Hang on,
Lights. I
watch
just
out,
do it
bro.
with my thumb. It didn't matter where.
You just like if you do it like
Shake
no
it
way.
up a
If you
little
make the
bit
air
first.
pocket, it won't go like so. If you put it right where the air pocket would be, it doesn't do the burst. Yeah.
Alright.
See.
And then, hang on, I gotta get a good grip on mine, cause. Can you get mine?
Yeah, I always struggle with that.
You're
part,
not even
too.
I was
in
about to
it.
say, you're not even in the other one.
Can you back up more in mine? All right, ready?
Go.
I'm gonna throw up.
That's what
I
I'm
feel
saying.
it hitting the bottom of my
It's a lot of
stomach.
I would never
carbonation.
seltzer. You guys are wild. Braver than me. Would never shotgun a seltzer.
It's the same as doing a.
Energy drink.
Woo!
And dude, I just can't do that anymore.
You could
I couldn't.
if you were
It
drunk.
hurts my
swallowed
stomach.
it.
Yeah, you're right. I don't. That's why I don't.
Swallowed an
drink
air
those.
pocket.
That's why I don't drink shit with sugar. You
Right,
taught me
right.
that.
Shit makes you
One
not
night,
feel good.
taught
I
me
felt it
that.
bubbling at my
I don't
stomach.
drink shit with
Right,
sugar.
bro.
I'm cool now.
That's why I drink Bud Lights. But there's a transgender drink.
Are you still chugging?
You
How
know I
much
lost
you got?
6 million in one day because
That's
of that
crazy, bro.
shit. It's just because I don't even think it's a transgender drink. They just support it.
Listen,
That's it, for real. But a lot of
I had
people
a
are
lot
like,
of hard
it's
swallows.
Bud Light, you know what I'm saying? It's supposed to be country beer.
Oh god.
Like,
Supporting transgender.
right.